Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me to Ikea so we can check out everything that's new in stores for the holiday season. I love going to Ikea every time there's a new season change because they have so many new products out. I know they're going to have a ton of new holiday decor, Christmas decor, some of the best affordable Christmas trees as well, so I can't wait to check it all out with you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and head to Ikea. Ooh, I already see signs of Christmas decor. This is definitely the time to come if you're looking for some new pieces. Let's head right upstairs to the showroom so we can see everything styled in place. This little front section always has new pieces, so right now they have new ocean-themed kids pieces. All of these little soft plush animals, they're super soft and really good price, so I always pick them up for my niece and nephews. They love them. They always have new wall lights. I used to have a moonlight when I was younger, and now they have these little turtle lights. Super cute. Just found the first little Christmas setup. This is an open concept home design, so you can see all these little spaces decorated for the holidays. I love this little gift wrapping center on the dining room table. They're displaying all of their new holiday gift wrap, and I always get gift wrap from Ikea. It's really affordable, and I always think they have fun, cool designs, so you can find something that's gonna match with your home. I usually stick with the more neutral ones, sometimes the blues, and this is actually one of their new Christmas trees here. This tree is 6'8" and it's $129, which is quite the steal for such a thick, full tree. I love that it's a little bit more of a muted green, so it doesn't have that fake vibrancy to it. I actually really like this tree, so if you're looking for a very budget-friendly, full-size Christmas tree, this is definitely it. We're going to be seeing all of the Christmas decor and ornaments downstairs in the marketplace, so stay tuned to the end to find all of those pieces, but I love seeing how they style them all in the homes. I like how they added ornaments to the garland here, so it looks just like the Christmas tree. This garland is just $7.99, such an affordable way to dress up your stairs. Let me know down below in the comments where you put your Christmas tree. Is it by your stairs like this, by a fireplace, or your front window? Since we're here, we might as well check out the new furniture pieces. There's only a few right now, but I did spot this new ottoman. It's a rattan ottoman that actually opens up and there's storage inside. It's just $89 and it's such a great way to add some extra seating in your home, some extra storage, or even just a little footrest. I think it's such a great piece that will add texture and warmth into your space. Last time we were here, we saw this sage green 1.5 seater, and now I see that they also have it in different colors and different sizes. You can get it in gray, the leather, or the cream, and they have the 1.5 seater, the love seat, and the full-size sofa. I think this is such a unique piece that's very traditional, but because it doesn't have the tufting, it actually has a little bit more of a modern feel, so it's more like a transitional Chesterfield sofa. I like that they also have two different leg color options, so you can do the light wood or the dark wood just depending on your space. So if you're looking for that transitional style sofa, I think this is a perfect buy. I like that the arms are the same height as the back, so when you sit in it, it actually hugs you and feels really comfortable. I think the cream color looks the most expensive and the most high end, so I think that would be my choice. You'll see these faux fur throws all over the store today. They're just draped over sofas and chairs, and they just instantly make your space feel cozy and like winter. They're very Scandinavian, they're classic, they're always here at Ikea. They even look really cute styled under a Christmas tree. You can make your Christmas tree look like it's sitting on snow with these faux fur throws. I love how they styled these trees. There's actually 3 different faux Christmas trees in this corner, and I think that's such a smart idea. If you don't have a large Christmas tree, you can group 3 different sizes together to create that large, expansive look. Okay, I might be using this idea this year. I love this large paper star right on the top of the tree. It just looks so big and exciting. You're gonna see these paper stars all over IKEA today. Candlesticks are elegant and timeless, and this one just adds that modern twist to it. I love the design around it, and it just acts as its own statement decor piece, but it's also super timeless at the same time. I'm all for battery-powered candles. They're just safe and easy to use. They turn on and off themselves, and I love using them around the holidays. There's so many ideas to take away from the showroom. I love this runner placed right underneath all of these serving plates. It just kind of grounds all of these pieces together and creates a little station. They also have a similar candlestick design, but in a circle form with 3 candles. Again, battery powered, easy to style on bookshelves, and just create that glimmer in your space. You're always going to need Tupperware containers, especially around the holidays. This Tupperware set comes with 17 containers and lids in different sizes for just $7.99. It's such a great deal if you're hosting for the holidays and you're planning on doing extra baking and cooking. This is definitely something to pick up. This is actually a new dining table, and it's an extendable dining table for $6.59. It goes from a 4-seater to a 6-seater, and it actually has that really thick top, so you get more of that high-end look. It's a great table to work with a modern home, transitional home, or mid-century modern. This bold green kitchen is looking extra Christmassy right now. I like that they've incorporated some red, especially on these bar stools. They've added some comfort and some color with these little red seat cushions. There's something about these beverage dispensers that remind me of the summer, but they're actually perfect for the winter holiday season as well. You can create a little self-serve station on your countertop so easily with these, especially with the extra riser. I also keep eyeing this little dish here. I love that it's raised. You can put food in it, you can put decor in it. It's just stunning. I love that tinted glass. Now moving on to the bedroom section, I actually found a new nightstand here, this rattan woven nightstand. I love the style of it. I think it's very practical. It has this removable top that turns into a tray, and the bottom has this little basket with a lid, so you can hide everything inside there so there's storage. It's stylish, it's pretty, it's something I can see in a kid's bedroom or an adult bedroom like this. They also have a matching bench to the nightstand, so you could put this at the end of your bed or at the front door, in your hallway, in a living room. I love that it has storage and style. You can hide everything inside and it all looks pretty from the outside. All of the holiday decor is actually downstairs in the marketplace, so let's scope it out and see what we can find. My first stop is always the baking section. I love finding new baking essentials, and baking is totally in line with the holidays. I just spotted this new rolling pin wrap. I've never seen anything like this, but it's something you can put on your rolling pin and it will create designs in your dough. I love this. I saw this cutting board all over the showroom and now I need it. I love how they style it. I love the scale, the big handle. It's definitely something that's coming home with me. I don't usually decorate with a lot of red for the holidays, but I do want to pick up a set of these dish towels. They come in a pack of 4 for $3.99 and they're all different patterns. So there's 2 stripes and 2 plaid, and I think they're so classic, they're timeless, they're something that you can layer into your table and use as a napkin. I'm definitely taking home one of these serving plates. I love the green glass, and I think it could work all year round as a decor piece and as a dish. I am all about texture, and they have so many new woven placemats and woven coasters. These are really cute. They would add that texture to your coffee table, or I could see just hanging a little ribbon on these and making them into Christmas tree ornaments. Super simple idea, and I think it would just look incredible. This is my favorite placemat. It looks just like those boho jute rugs, and I think it would look good on your dining table every single season. This is a new throw pillow cover for $9.99. It has all of those cute Christmas patterns on there, and it's very subtle. I like that it's just white, sage green, and gray. It's very neutral. It's something you can layer together. I'm thinking about using 2 of these in my guest bedroom. I just spotted the cutest little laundry baskets over here. They have a new basket on wheels that you can wheel around. They have a storage basket and a little carrying basket. These look so cottagey and warm and cozy. I would just love to have these around my home. This is perfect if you have your laundry machines on the same floor so that you can just wheel this around your house and you don't have to do any carrying. I think this is very practical. It has a lid, a handle, wheels, and a stand. If you're planning on heading to Ikea this season for just the Christmas decor, skip by the entire showroom, the entire marketplace, and actually head right to the end of the self-serve area. This is the back of the warehouse, right by the exit, and this is where all of the Christmas decor will be. Let's check out the Christmas trees first. They always have very sparse, minimal Christmas trees here, so if you're looking for that Charlie Brown Christmas tree, you can get it here on a budget. Their largest size is $79.99. They have a medium size for $50 and the smaller one for $25. I like these because they're very stylized. I think you can do a lot with your ornaments and decorating, but they also now have a fuller version that we did see upstairs. This is such a great Christmas tree if you're looking for a budget full fluffy Christmas tree. I like that it doesn't have a perfect shape and there's some long stems, some short stems, and it's just $129.99. They also have this new Christmas tree that is already pre-lit, which is new for IKEA. This is $79.99. We have so many great ornaments here, all simple plain colors, but different color schemes, so you can find something that's going to work with your home. I love how they have them styled here in clusters. I think that's such a simple idea that makes a big impact on your Christmas tree. I think I found the color palette that I'm going to be using in my home. This is the perfect mix. It has sage green, blush, red, blue, silver, white, and gold. I think it's so pretty. They're all really toned down, muted colors, but definitely looks Christmassy. So I'm picking up 2 packs of these. They're $16.99. I also really love these paper ornaments. The deep red is really romantic and beautiful, and I love the 3D effect. So I'm gonna grab a pack of these for $5.99. I always like adding extra lighting to my home during the holidays, so I'm definitely going to be picking up some of these little candlestick decor pieces. I'm going to pick up one in each size. I feel like they would look really nice placed together or even separately. We've seen these paper stars all over the store today, and I love the amount of pattern variety and size and color that they have this year. I just found this little light stand, which I don't remember them ever having. That means you don't have to hang these from the ceiling. You can actually just make your own lamp out of this. So it's a little lamp stand, and then you can put the star design on top. I'm definitely picking up one of these because I think it would just make the house look extra Christmassy. I'm doing the small green star and the paper snowflake one. I'm always looking for some cute gift bags, and Ikea always has so many different gift bag options, different gift bag sizes. This is a pack of 25 for $12.99, and they also have a bunch of different wrapping paper options. I like to choose my wrapping paper to match my tree decor and my home decor, so it just looks neat and tidy under the tree. I'm definitely going for this neutral set right here. And this is something I actually got last year, but this is a little wrapping paper organizer. I slide mine right underneath my bed, and it just has all of my wrapping paper essentials inside. I hold my tape, ribbon, scissors, everything I need. So if I need to wrap some gifts up, I just pull that out. So if you don't have one of those, you definitely need one this year. And of course, every trip to Ikea ends in the as is section. This is where they have furniture marked down. It's kind of like the Ikea thrift store. I just found this Ikea Calyx bench with the doors all built. This would be the perfect little storage bench for your front door. You could put a nice cushion on top, so you never know what you're gonna find in there. I always suggest checking it out. Alright, so that's it for today's shopping. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this video gave you some ideas on what you can pick up next time you're at Ikea. They have so many great holiday decor pieces, really cool light fixtures, great faux Christmas trees at a very affordable price. So if you're looking for anything new to decorate your home this year on a budget, definitely check out Ikea. They have pretty much every color scheme, so I think you'll find something that's perfect for you. Anyways, let me know down below in the comments if you saw anything in stores today that you would absolutely want to get for your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!